morning, students, and welcome to the reading session of EVS 1, lesson number 15, My District, My State. Students, open your EVS 1 textbook, take page number 92, and keep a pencil handy. So, let's start. Try this. Study a big tree in your locality using the following points. 1. What are the different parts of the tree? Second, which of these parts are seen on a tree most of the time? Which is the smallest part of a tree and what is it attached to? A tree has many small branches. What are they attached to? How many big branches does the tree have? To be complete, a tree must have several components such as leaves, small branches, big branches, a trunk, etc. In the same way, our state too is made up of many settlements, villages, towns, talukas, and districts. You will understand this better by looking at the diagram on the facing page. Do you know? Man began to farm the land. His fields were near water. He settled near his farm and began to live there. In this way, hamlets and settlements were formed. These hamlets and settlements grew into villages, which then developed into cities. Page number 93. Make friends with maps. Vairagad village, Armori Taluka, Gadchiroli district. By following these pictures given here, you can see how villages, cities and towns form a taluka, talukas form a district and districts form a state. Our Maharashtra state. Color the town, talukas, districts and state given above in different colors. Page number 94. Make friends with map. The physical map of our state is given below. Study it carefully and write the answers to the following questions. 1. What is the name of the mountain that spreads from north to south in our state? Second, what is the name given to the region to the west of this mountain? 3. On the shore of which sea does this region lie? 4. What is the area to the east of the Sahyadri mountain called? 5. What is the name of the mountain in the northern part of our state? 6. Which is the river in our state which flows from the east to the west? 7. Write the names of two rivers which flow from northwest to southeast. 8. Write the names of any two rivers which have their origin in the Sahyadri mountain and flow into the Arabian Sea. Number 9. Find the ranges which originate in the Sahyadri mountain and spread to the east. Write their names. 10. Which are the important dams shown on the map? 11. Which rivers are these dams built on? 12. Name the important ghats in the Sahyadri mountain. Maharashtra physical state. Students, take page number 95. Do you know? Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra state. Nagpur is the second capital. Second, according to its physical features, Maharashtra is divided into three regions. A. The coastal region. B. The mountainous region. And C. The plateau region. The Godavari river is the longest river in Maharashtra. The Satpura mountain is in the northern part of Maharashtra. The highest peak in the Satpura mountain is Astamba. The Sayadri mountains are also called the Western Ghats. Kalsubai is in this mountain is the highest peak in Maharashtra. The Arabian Sea is to the west of the state. Maharashtra state average annual rainfall. Regions of high, moderate and low rainfall are shown on the map given above. Rainfall has an effect on agriculture. A table is given on the next page. It shows the crops grown in this region of high, moderate and low rainfall. Carry out the following activity based on the map and the table. Students, take page number 96. Look at the map of rainfall given on the previous page and the table of crops given below. Find out which crops will grow in which region of Maharashtra. A map with an index is given below. On the map, show the distribution of crops according to rainfall. Regions of rainfall and main crop. High, medium, low. Rice, wheat, tur, soybean. Jawar, bajra, mood beans. Maharashtra state major crops. The production of crops depend on the climate, soil and availability of water. Different regions of Maharashtra get different amounts of rainfall. As a result, there is variety in the crops grown. Agriculture is the main occupation in Maharashtra. Agriculture in the state depends mostly on rainfall. This is called rain-fed, Jiryati agriculture. In some places, water obtained through irrigation is also used. This is called irrigated Bagayati agriculture. The agriculture season that falls during the monsoon period is called the Kharif season, and the one that falls during winter is called the Rabi season. Students, take page number 97. Can you tell? Study the map and complete the given activities. Maharashtra state major fruits and cash crops. 1. Underline the names of districts which grow grapes. Circle the names of cotton growing districts. Circle the symbols of the crops grown in Thane and write their names in your notebook. In which districts is coconut an important crop? Write the names in your notebook. Find the districts which grow the orange crop. Color them using a different color. All the crops shown above are based on irrigation. Their distribution is influenced by climate and soil. They are also known as commercial or cash crops. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides are used for these crops. Always remember, the use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers to increase the yield of crop has risen. However, this results in greater soil pollution. We should use chemical fertilizers sparingly. Organic fertilizers should be used more. In this way, we will be able to prevent harm to the environment. Page number 98. Try this. Visit a farm. Make a list of the various crops grown there in the different seasons. Discuss with the farmers the various means of irrigation available on the farm. Point out which factors affect farming. You will realize that several different crops are grown in one field. Availability of water is essential for farming. Use your brain power. The administrative division of our state are given below. Observe them and color these regions in different colors in the map given below. Our Maharashtra state. Students, take page number 99. Language and dialect. Maharashtra state was formed on 1st May 1960. States in India have been formed on the basis of language. Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, there is similarity as well as diversity in languages. The pronunciation of Marathi varies in different regions. We see a variety in the dialects that are spoken. We should welcome this diversity. Regions, some dialects: Konkan, Konkani, Malwani; Vidarbha, Varhadi; Khandesh, Ahreni, Khandeshi; Gormati, Kolmi, Korku, etc. are the traditional dialects of Adivasi tribes in Maharashtra. Can you tell? We find variety in the festivals of our state. According to the different traditions, everyone celebrates Diwali, Dasara, Christmas, Eid, etc. In the Konkan region, festivals such as Narli Purnima, Holi, and Ganesh festivals are celebrated. In the Plateau region, people celebrate festivals such as Dasara, Diwali, and Bari Pola on the large scale, on a big scale. We celebrate our national festival 15th August and 26th January all over the country with great enthusiasm. Students, take page number 100. What's the solution? Sudhir and Swapnil have come to your town. They wish to take home a famous food item from your district. Which food item will you give them? Use your brain power. Are villages, towns, cities, talukas, districts, states, and countries man-made or naturally formed? What we have learned: the physical setup of our state, variety in crops according to climate, soil, and availability of water, the state language Marathi and its different dialects, variety in celebrations and festivals. Thank you, children.